The Voltech PM6000 is a up to 6-channel power analyzer used by manufacturers to certify the power requirements of their products and by listing agencies such as CSA and UL. This instrument is a Linux-based computer that has a custom interface with up to 6 input channels, which perform the monitoring. The voltage can be monitored directly by the input board, and a separate input allows for current readings. These instruments are software-based in terms of their calibration, but we at ERD have been able to adjust the individual channels for calibration data by developing our own software system for interfacing to the instrument. As seen in this video, we are checking out the 3 channels at the 1 range value voltage settings using a power amplifier with different frequencies, since these systems have a very broad spec range. ERD has developed over the past few years a number of repairs for Voltech equipment and have custom configured both software and hardware fixtures for their repairs and tests. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.